Hello, my name is James Taylor. I'd like to introduce myself first. I was a CNC operator, uh, CAD programmer for a company about 25, 26 years. And I've been programming routers for around maybe 28 years. And uh, this is a product that I make. I make small rocking chairs for kids, for infants and, toddlers, really toddlers, that just getting up walking. And I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna be with you too long. I'm just gonna show you. I make three different sizes, and I make a large, medium, and a small. And these chairs are made out of 3/4 plywood. I cut these on my CNC. Uh, I plan on recording a video showing how I do this, but for now, I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about it. Okay, this is you know, I make this chair has the slots cutouts. This chair doesn't have. I do this because sometimes they want me to laser engrave something on here, and that's the reason I don't cut it out. And I can laser engrave on the chair, on the seat part. So, but I'm going to show you. There's no nails or anything in order to put it together or take it apart. It comes with a key. You take the key out, then you slide the seat out. You may have to little finagling. Take the seat out, and then you take the front crossbar out. I usually do it like this, and then just pull up on the back. And the two sides. There's only 6 pieces to it. And that's it. I like it like that because it make it easier for shipping. It keeps the cost down. Because in this day and age, every penny seems to make a difference. So in order to put it back together, you start out. You can either start it like this, or you can start it by doing this. Put one crossbar in, get the other side, and work it in. And so then it'll stand up for you. Now you have to work your back. You just pull your back, and it goes in like that. You take the seat and just slide it in. Slide it in through that, like that. And then you put your key in. That's it. And now it's ready to go. But I suggest if you did have one, put your one little screw right there. And that way, when the toddlers, they're inquisitive. And they want to see how, if they watch you put it together, they're going to want to take it apart. And even if they don't see you put it together, they still going to want to take it apart. So what you want to do, put your little screw right there. That'll stop them from taking the key out, and then it'll stay together. And all 3 chair sizes assemble the same way, no different. Each one have a key. It's just a bigger version of the smaller one. That's it. And Then now this is a different material, but this is a 3/4 also. This is 3/4 expanded PVC. Now this chair is good for the outside, to leave outdoor. And if the rain, water hit it, it's not gonna hurt it. And it could be painted. You can paint it whatever color you want. And it operates the same way. Slide it out, put it back together. Same thing. No difference. And this is a chair that I did for a toddler. She turned 1. And I laser engraved her name on it, as you can see. And laser engraved on the seat. And they wanted a calf. So I put that on it. Now I don't, in my doings, I'm not a wood finisher. So I don't like to try to attempt to put a finish on this wood. That's not my forte. But if you wanted somebody, I can laser engrave on it. And if you got somebody to finish it, that's fine. But that's how I do it. If you like this little video, because I got many more things to come. I have bathroom items, kids' banks, and you're gonna have to see them, so you know what I'm talking about. And desk cards, desk plates. I can make them for weddings, family reunions, different occasions. So I will be making a video on that. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. That'll help me continue on, because I retired now, and this is something I'm doing to keep myself up and moving. You don't want to just stop. So I like to thank you.